Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you will be helping my family and I decorate our house for Christmas. I have 11 boxes right next to me filled with Christmas decorations. So I will try and fit all of this into one video. I don't even know if it's possible to set up all our Christmas decorations today, but I think I'll just vlog for the first day, and then I'll probably do like another Vlogmas day for the next day that we set up our Christmas stuff. I literally can't wait for Christmas. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. Let's get on with the video. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna change the tablecloth to a Christmas one. My mom is choosing one right now so that we can set up. Now we're opening some of the boxes to see what there is. We are setting up my mom's Christmas village right now. We're gonna put it on this table that runs along this wall. This is what we were looking for. We finally found them and they're on the chairs. Here is the completed village. Well, not fully completed, but like semi-completed village. My dad and brother are working on the Christmas tree right now and the lights for it. Here are some other village pieces. guys so much for watching. We haven't fully finished decorating our house, so there will be a part 2 to this. I hope you enjoyed what we've set up so far. Turn on post notifications to get notified when I post new videos, and give it a big thumbs up. Bye!